Sunday morning and our street is really quiet right now. And we have our first sweet william popping up. They're so pretty, and they come back every year, and they come back in all kinds of colors. There's going to be a lot of stuff in this bucket this year. The other thing that I wanted to show is, no, we haven't dug up this corner yet. That's okay. That's coming, and we're going to move the lilacs there, move something in that corner. Sage is doing really well. Look, it's in bloom. It's so pretty, and it smells great. And the Japanese maple, it's getting better. I'm going to put it in a shadier spot. It was in a funk for a while. But all of this now is so super lush, and it's blooming, and oh, my lemon spruce, that smells amazing. So it took me years actually to get all of this going, because I planted seeds. Things wouldn't come up the first year, and then they come up the second, and then they die. And it's only been in the last couple of years that this has filled in really nicely. My lupins, which I did have in the toilet at one point, and they looked great, and then they died off. And these are gonna, I don't even know what this plant is called, but it'll bloom, and it'll stay in bloom all summer long, and it's like a really vibrant fuchsia color, kind of like the sweet william I showed at the beginning. I've got purple irises here. We used to have them in the back, and now this is the only place that they grow. And there's not very many, but that's okay, because they kind of, I find their smell a little overpowering anyway. My rhododendron, I can't wait for this to bloom. It looks like it's going to be red, but when it blooms, it's yellow with orange tips. It kind of looks tie-dyed. It's really, really, really cool. And then the lilac, which I've never had this many blooms on the lilac ever. And it's really, really fragrant, and it wasn't ever that fragrant before either, but it's just